Hello everyone, welcome back to Gifted Review. Today we have an exciting topic for those who want to make money online without ever revealing their face. If you've been wondering how you can generate income while maintaining your privacy, you're in the right place. In this video, I'm going to walk you through two powerful strategies: creating a YouTube channel and writing blog posts. Let's dive in. That's everything we're going to see in this video. First, I'm going to make an introduction to what is making money online anonymously, and two strategies I consider the most efficient without spending any money. Understanding YouTube's strategy, pros and cons, understanding blogging, pros and cons of blogging, and I will make a comparative analysis of YouTube versus blogging. Some tips for successful online earning and some tips for successful online earning. First thing, we have to keep in mind that some people need to protect their identity. They don't want to show up their face, and creating a video for YouTube or writing a blog post could be an excellent way of doing that. First, we need to understand how we're going to be able to record videos without showing our face. I'm going to show you some examples of YouTube channels that does not show anybody's face, and I'm going to show you also some examples blog posts that doesn't show anybody's face. The pros of YouTube strategy is the widest reach and potential for high visibility. YouTube is a huge network. It only loses for Google search. The ability to monetize through ads and sponsorships and selling products, also opportunity to build a loyal subscriber base. YouTube has billions of monthly active users, making it a platform with a wide reach and potential for high visibility. Creators can monetize their YouTube channels through ads and sponsorships, providing a potential source of income. They can also sell products as an affiliate and many other options. The cons of YouTube strategy is obviously that you have to record the video, edit the video. You're going to depend on YouTube's algorithm for discoverability and monetization, and it also may take time to build a large enough subscriber base to generate significant income. Writing a blog can be also challenging. Obviously a long-term potential, diverse monetization options, but there are some pros. Blogging allows for passive income generation through ads, sponsored content, and affiliate marketing. Blogging provides a platform for showcase expertise and building a personal brand. Blogging also offers flexibility in terms of working hours and location. Also, a huge con of blogging strategy is that it requires technical skills for website management. It's just a little bit, but till today we have to deal with this kind of trouble because we're going to have to hire a website host and a domain and etc. Now I want to show you some examples of what I'm talking about. This is a YouTube video that doesn't show anybody's face. It's just a video with a voiceover and some image in the background. I'm pretty sure in this video there's a call to action to the person that's watching this video to click somewhere, maybe an affiliate link or something like that. Maybe this owner of this channel is only earning money with YouTube AdSense. It means it's only being monetized by the views, but probably it sells affiliate products also. This is one example that has a lot of views, and this is another example that has a lot of videos and probably is making a huge amount of money. So with an app in this website, we can see that there is a blog post about affiliate marketing, and if you want to see how many people is visiting the websites that you find in the internet, you can use this extension. It's called SimilarWeb. If you click here, you'll see that in June this site made 5.4 million visitors, and this blog probably has a call to action for the person who is reading this blog to click the link, and probably they make a lot of sales by doing this strategy. This is also another site that has blog posts, and it sells basically credit offers. So as we did in the last site, let's see how many people visit this site. If it doesn't appear, you just hit refresh. You can see that a lot of people visit this site each month, and it's probably making a lot of money also. So if you want to learn and start creating your own YouTube channel in your own faceless videos, I'll leave in the description below the link webinar from Matt Pear that's going to teach you step by step how to start your YouTube channel and start creating your first videos. He's a very successful YouTuber. He has lots and lots of YouTube faceless channels, and he can teach you step by step how to start. See you next time.